from that one. You should just video this. Oh, yeah, just video it all. Can I go with the answer sheet right there, Mama?
Oh, that's a good one. Ooh.
It's like the Fusa scene too.
Whoa, that one's
Cool.
right. Ooh.
That one is a vibe.
Ooh. Yeah, that one's a vibey.
The Fusa are attacking.
They heard us.
Wow, look at those ones are cool.
They heard us complaining.
Did this dude turn off his headlights? Are you serious? Oh, he's moving.
Ooh, look at that one.
Whoa.
Ooh.
They heard us complaining. Where'd they go?
Stretch marks.
Sorry.
No singing.
No, don't use flash. Me too. It's just red.
Oh, the clouds.
Oh, yeah, it's red right now.
The clouds. Woo.
Can't get a good shot. I'm gonna steal from you guys. I know. I'm just gonna ask Cooper for the video.
No.
Yeah, me and Cooper recording.
I'm gonna get the
Yeah.
screenshot. Wow, look at that one's huge.
Oh, that one is huge.
Yeah, you heard us. Where did that go?
Hold on.
Is that it?
Jesus, pound.
No, I don't think it's on it yet.
He's trying to figure out where to park.
Ah.
There's no fireworks.
Well, that's it.
Hmm.
Show's over.
Let's go home,
It
guys.
says it's supposed to last for 30 minutes.
They heard us complaining.
Oh wait,
See
there's
how
another one.
They heard us complaining.
Oh, you called it. Oh. Hold up. There you go. There's some.
This fireworks display is much better than Prescott, Arizona, let me tell you.
That isn't it yet.
Just kidding. Go
I'm so
Elton,
standing.
Elton John to it.
Yeah. Oh. There we go. Oh, 2 fireworks. Double.
Oh, Auntie's right there.
Yeah, I can't call you guys.
Matt, will you turn your flashlight on for them?
Yeah. Oh, I can't because I'm on my camera. Ah!
Ah.
There's no signs in front of you. I hope there's nobody trying to hit on it. Like, what if somebody's in these cars, guys?
Wait for it.
They're having a little sesh with the fireworks.
Wait for it. That's right here,
Yeah.
There's a plane now.
They're checking.
Oh my god, look at the stars.
Great. That it? It was not 30 minutes, it was 35 minutes. They were like, okay, a minute each. No, 30 seconds. I think that might be it.
This is a waste of time.
Well, they said that there's supposed to be some like
Parker, you can scoot up a little more here, bud.
Mm-hmm.
Come on over here.
This
Come on
is
this side of me.
Parker, move.
Come on up, you guys. You guys.
I got.
I know.
I'm gonna go up then. Fine.
Fine. Be like that.
Allow me.
I'm gonna go up then.
Now you're blocking it. You're too tall.
Well, y'all didn't want to go up here.
Well, you guys should.
Oh, excuse me.
do it.
Takes so long.
Just potatoes.
I go down to the honky tonk. I go down to the honky tonk.
I go down to my. This dumb plant keeps getting in my shoes. Once it's
They dropped the fireworks, y'all.
they must have lost it where they put it.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
There we go.
Finally,
They
Jesus
keep
Christ.
they keep hearing us complain.
You think so?
my
Wow.
I hate how they make it down. Oh, that one. I don't care if it's made of. It looks like it's Photoshop. Oh, that lake is probably gonna be filled with this.
why is it doing my flash?
Mom, turn the flash off.
You press the lightning bolt. So you turn it off.
Yeah.
Oh, she looks like
good
Shrek
one.
colors. Oh, it turned into gold after.
Oh, that one is so good.
They're sick.
These ones are all.
We got a good spot after all, you guys.
Oh my god.
I
Yeah,
don't
they're
care if
long.
we're not down there. I'm like this.
Wow, that was like a beautiful,
That's
like a
good one.
chandelier.
I
Oh
know.
my god, free fireworks and
Oh, that's like, well, that one's like a flower. Look at it, make a flower.
yeah. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I know.
Oh boy.
What's that skull laying in the tent? Cool, I don't care.
Ooh, I like those ones.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
big.
that one looks like a flower. Look at it.
That one is big.
I'm definitely I can.
Oh,
That one looks like a candy.
Camden.
Best fireworks.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that one looks like you're going to like
That's
outer
amazing.
space.
Nova.
That the purple one with the red in the
That one
background.
looks like one of the best fireworks.
That one looks like a hairy toad.
A hairy toe?
What are you getting out?
How
See,
the...
that one.
Called creative mind.
That wasn't good. That was a big one.
It sounds like they're behind us.
Mm-hmm.
We got a good spot.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, there's a star.
I feel like these are supposed to be making shapes, but I don't see it.
I feel like
See, look,
my
it made a
God.
flower again.
Yeah.
See that? One of the clouds are all heart shaped.
We know what the boom.
Oh yeah. Look at the clouds. You can see the clouds.
It's not
Look
clouds,
at
it's
what
smoke.
are the clouds are heart
It's
shaped.
smoke from the fire.
How rude.
Mm.
Oh,
That one looks like a flower, kinda.
That's what I'm talking about.
They all look like flowers.
Oh wait, there's another one.
Wow.
Oh.
That one is
Full place. Shimmer,
Still not
shimmer.
Yeah, it's
That golden
that
one's just in a glow.
Whoa.
There's one going up, there's one going up.
It's like they're short, like flares.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like you can see it going up, and
Mhm.
then it becomes that.
Oh, that one's a big one.
I like the big, that giant one we saw.
Yeah.
Like that
Oh,
one.
I know why it takes so long. I know why it
And we're
takes.
like 3 different colors.
I know why it takes so
Oh, I
long.
like
That's
those.
got
Oh, I like that one.
I like how they shimmer.
Shimmer,
No,
shimmer,
stop
full
shaking.
place shimmer.
It won't hit the minute if you have a
Shut
man.
that.
Remember, I know why it takes so long for them to just get the
Focus
get
on
it
the
light
video.
up, because they light up every single one. I keep having pants in my shoe.
Oh, yeah.
Pants in your shoes? No.
Oh, there goes one.
Ooh, that's a good one.
I like when it rains down like that.
I know, they're so
shooting
pretty.
stars.
It's like a chandelier.
Yeah.
This is the
Chandelier.
moment, people.
I feel like it's just a big cannon shooting up in there.
I wonder what
Because that looks like a cannon.
I feel like we saw that one already.
We
I like
did,
that
but
one.
they're so cool.
Wow,
I
these are
know.
beautiful.
Yeah, they are.
Whoa! Shimmer, shimmer.
No.
Shimmer, shimmer. Good job, fireworks. Oh, shimmer, shimmer.
Boom, shut it.
Double shot.
I want this to last forever.
Ooh,
I
they're
feel like
shimmer
your
up.
hand's cold because
They
you're
seem
cold.
really close.
Yeah, they do.
I regret bringing it. Which I left it in the car.
You regret bringing what?
My
Her
cup.
her cold drink.
Oh.
I know,
It's
same.
ice.
I have my water bottle. And I
I
don't
know.
even
I'm wishing this was a hot cup of coffee or chocolate. Not chocolate.
It's
so
same
good.
for you.
I already had hot
You want
chocolate.
to stand up here? Where it's not so many plants? Not better?
Yeah.
Great.
That thing.
Wow.
Well, that was a good
That's
one.
pretty.
I rate that at 10.
I feel like the last one's gonna say USA.
Oh, those
Oh,
are like
that would
those
be
ones are like
cool.
spinning.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it would be
know.
cool.
Yeah, those
to
ones
do
are
that.
those
That
ones
one
are
too.
like,
Those
like
little red parts were
But
spinning.
they're always in circles. Or into a flower
I
shape.
might have something to do with the
That
explosion.
one
Oh, it's not focusing anymore.
Oh, look at that one! They're like the purple, blue, and green one.
Yeah.
And they're
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Focus, man.
The
Focus on
phone
your-
doesn't want to focus.
Whoa! Too much light.
It's just because
How is there too much light for this phone?
I'm having too much exposure.
The people behind us driving, shining light.
Ooh, that's cool. It's like rain. I can see why they don't want anyone in the water.
Yeah.
Whoa,
Like
it's
raining
like
fire.
It's like raining.
they probably closed that section off.
Oh, wind?
Oh, you can smell. Oh, wait, that's from.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, it's no.
I think that was from the car that passed us.
Might have been.
I love to be the.
Oh!
That one! I want that one!
Oh, that one's going high.
Oh, that one.
Oh!
Wow.
Shimmer, shimmer!
Massive.
No!
It looks like a ball.
Oh my god.
And if I'm correct, Mom, like planes can't fly.
That's probably why they had to wait for that plane to pass before they started.
If it's like a.
Because planes can't fly under
They
fireworks.
shouldn't. They'll catch on fire.
It's
If
doing
they,
it
they
again!
can go if they're way high up. Like if you're
Ooh,
traveling
that was
internationally, it's not a big deal because they're flying so high up.
You can just look down at the airplane.
Because
Whoa!
all the private planes have to fly.
Private planes can't fly during the because they don't. They fly low.
Whoa!
Way though.
Just fly around them. Just kidding. I don't know.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't know. What to say.
Whoa.
See your shine.
I wish they had the drone show too. I'm blind. Then it would have been perfect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be blind after
Because
this.
where we live, they're having a
Boom.
drone show.
That's cool. Those look really cool. I waved at the drone that we saw today.
They probably are viewing the footage like
It's probably the
crazy
car.
lady.
Like
No.
that crazy sunburned lady.
No, some random person. It's not the cops.
I'm joking. My legs cold.
Oh, that's a good one.
Your legs cold?
My legs cold.
Oh,
My
hurt.
arms, my hands are so cold.
My hands are numb.
Put
I
your
know,
phone
mine
away.
too,
Put your
Maddie.
hands in your pocket.
She's holding
Live
her
in the
cup.
moment.
Yeah.
Yes, I didn't bring a cup.
Alright. That kind of
I
At
just
the
need nothing.
last fireworks. Has it? I don't want this to end. It's going up. Aww, it didn't go that far. But that one
That's
did.
a big flower. burn.
Ooh, green. Oh,
I like
that
that
one again.
one.
Yeah, I love that. That one again. Going through my pockets.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
I'm freezing.
Try not to
I
think
want
about it.
this to end, but I don't.
It looks like they like come towards you.
I know, it's like trippy.
Yeah.
Ooh, how'd that happen?
There was like, it's like little things. Yeah, it's just, it's the red spinning.
I feel like it's just coming towards me. Like, oh, that one came out
I
of
wonder if you're
nowhere.
on the other side of the lake if it looks exactly like this, like it's coming at you.
Probably.
Probably because it's
It looks right now like it's like facing
I
you.
wonder how they make all these
That's true.
patterns with the fireworks.
Well, I don't know. They probably
'Cause-
have a. That one looked like it was coming towards us. Whoa.
That's
That
incredible.
one. See, look at they look like they're coming toward us.
they look like they're like just over those trees.
Yeah. It's just like. See, look at the circle ones look like they're running towards you. But if it if it.
Fuso. Ooh.
Yeah. Don't lean on that person's garbage.
He didn't know he was.
There it goes.
Those are Mads, all chemical reactions.
That's
I actually
cr-
learned how they are made.
You can just watch a video.
I really like that one.
You can just watch
Oh,
a video.
what the heck? Ooh, see, that one looks like it's coming towards us.
Oh, that's a smiley face.
I told you this. They might do the USA at the end. You.
It was sideways though. They gotta put it up right.
They can't control how the firework works.
Probably has to do with like what, wind and
Yeah,
sorts
you're
of
right.
stuff.
Wind probably makes a
Speed.
huge difference.
yeah.
That's my face.
That was
No.
I saw a green smiley face. Oh, never mind. They weren't smiley faces.
Sparkle, sparkle.
only some blink and some don't. That's sad.
That's how they
That
made
one's
it.
still
Oh
blinking.
yeah, that one does.
That's how they made it.
The one just blinking down.
Failed
Sad.
attempt.
Failed attempt, yeah.
Stupid, I'm fucking.
Remember when we were in Oregon, Mom, and we were on that waterfall, and Cooper's getting attacked by those bugs?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
there it is.
Smiley face.
That one looked like it was a
His
potato.
eyes were going apart.
I know.
It looks like a rock.
I think it's
don't
see it
fly.
because
It looks
my
like a green
mom
rock.
could break it.
Mom, it looks like a green
You
rock.
never be so
With a face.
You're never sorry.
Bring in the scars, okay?
I'm freezing.
Okay.
Is it a what?
I don't know what that is, but that's so
Thank you.
That's a rock.
It's a rock.
Are you
Serious
Are you
right now?
cereal?
Are you cereal?
Yes. If you see what I will put you.
We have ears. Same. Ooh, so cool.
Oh, that one kind of looked like it was from the graduation.
Did you just say Sesame Street?
No, I said graduation.
Oh, graduation. I don't think they have fireworks at graduations.
Live in the moment.
No moment.
When you graduated from college, did you have like
Oh,
you had to
that's
throw the
cool.
hats up in the air or something?
There's an airplane coming.
Oh,
Airplane.
you better go high as you can.
Yeah, because these fireworks are going off right now.
Yeah, if you
They're
don't.
probably looking out their window like, what?
Oh, I think they're not
That's
that
probably
high.
amazing.
that you
so they
could
could
see
see
that
it from
plane right
everywhere.
They
That's
better run because if
That's
they're
a
not-
helicopter.
Yeah, they better run.
Way too near it.
I think that's a helicopter.
Probably up high.
No, it's a lot.
I think that's a
That one need to
helicopter.
run, bro. He's really getting attacked by those fireworks.
Oh my god.
Barely escaped.
Oh my god. He's so lucky that giant one didn't go off when he was in the middle. Oh, that one probably would have caught him. He would have been. Oh, the plane's running away. Got locked.
That's a helicopter.
That's a smiley face. That kind of got ruined again.
Wow.
They're really trying to make that smiley face.
Yeah, they are. They're like,
Ooh,
okay,
orange
one more time.
one. Ooh, I like orange. Wait, what? It was orange and it turned
Live in the
to
moment
pink.
again.
What the heck? That was small.
You're too loud.
You need to calm down.
Oh no, they went off the ground.
Oh, a little
That one didn't make it up.
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't make it up. That was like, I don't even care about the little ones. I'm looking at the big ones.
Yeah.
I can see them.
Ooh.
That would have hit the plane.
Pretty.
That would have hit the plane. That was.
That's amazing.
I would have liked to see that plane go. Emma,
Mm.
what? That was pretty like a deer kind
There's
of.
another plane in the background.
Oh,
There it
come.
goes.
Oh,
Oh.
that one.
There's a bunch of stuff happening low.
Yeah, there is.
I hope no one's near there.
They don't even care anymore.
That's probably the finale.
Oh my
That's why.
Cat. Oh.
They do it on the lake.
Yeah.
Whoa. Where's the USA one I wanted?
You don't think you're gonna get USA.
Come on, you did a.
USA.
Oh, that's pretty.
You did a ruined.
Oh, there it is. That's the finale.
You did the ruined smiley face. You could. That's the finale.
Yeah, that's the. Oh my
You
god.
better got that and tell me on camera.
No, I should have.
There's way better in person.
Just stopping in the road.
He's like, I'm gonna watch.
Yeah.
This is
Every
way
time
better in
we leave your
person.
house after 4th of July, this is what we see on the freeway, just like from everywhere.
Last time we pulled over
Especially
near
our
your
neighbors.
house.
Especially our neighbors.
Oh my god, that was so
Our neighbors like to go out.
Look how low it must. It must look amazing.
cool.
They probably do it in the middle of the lake.
I can still see it.
Wow.
I can still see it in between the trees, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh my god.
They just set the whole barge on fire.
I know. I'm like, it would suck to be on that barge. I wonder if the person on the barge has to get away and then.
Yeah, they had to light on fire and then run.
No, it's just like it's just like Ariel. They just put a blanket on you.
They're like doing a Disney. You're down there.
It's just like Ariel. They put a blanket on you and then you just go around. And then people go around.
You know what happens if it's over?
We go look at the stars.
It means we get to get warm. I mean, you guys get to.
We go home and eat brownies.
Oh, you put your heated seat on.
Oh no.
Oh man, you guys are about to hate it.
It's not even that cold.
No, it's over.
Yeah,
Happy 4th of July!
yeah, suck my balls.